Hi everyone.
Hi everybody.
Hi everyone. So today we received, yesterday we received this package from Iconic Nails. So today we're going to unpack it or unbox it and show you what we received.
Now this is a very nice care package from Bob Giblet. Thank you very much, Bob. We greatly appreciate it.
So here it is.
Ooh, let me check these out.
I know.
These are neat.
Oh, this is heavy.
So fancy.
Okay. Oh, look. That's so nice. Thank you.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay. So let's see what we have. Yes. So they came out with a new line of gel polishes that soak off very, very quickly. So for sure, I'm going to
Test
test
these
it.
out. Easy base.
Base and shine. Oh. Ooh. That's a color. Raspberry. Let me just see. Let me see. Ooh. It's nice and bright.
Wow.
Their brushes are really, really good.
Yes.
Let me sniff it. Ah.
What does it smell like?
I don't know. It's like a fresh citrusy smell. No, seriously.
Well, hold on to the bottle.
Oh.
Hold on.
Eggshell shiny silver. Right?
No.
You don't like it?
It
Well, to me, it's like has that.
smells like gel.
Okay, so here's eggshell shiny silver. Oh.
Ooh.
Well, that's gonna be nice for Christmas.
Very nice. I like it.
It's nice that when you actually have the bottles, like really C&D, come on guys, like this is
These are
this is
amazing.
how it should be done. So you can put it on the shelf nicely like this, and you can see all the names and colors and everything.
It's really cool.
Yeah,
And
this is
I
good.
love
Oh yeah,
the packaging. Like it's very like I
Ooh,
don't,
my
I don't
favorite color.
like heavy. It feels good. Feels quality.
Black cherry.
Heckins.
So it's almost black, but it has that cherry look. Can you see?
Black cherry.
Probably not. You can't see.
Ooh, I think I know what I'm testing.
But base and top.
Yes.
Okay, so there's two different ones.
And smells like
Gel.
I see.
So
Now he did send us a couple
There's
extra
more.
goodies because he wasn't sure if he sent us stuff
Oh.
last time, so he made sure
Okay.
that he, sent us a
clear
little.
beige, base clear, top clear,
Builder clear.
builder and extension clear. Okay.
Ooh, I love the
So
packaging.
this is classic gels, no?
I'm
think
getting
so.
the vibe.
Yeah.
Soak
So-
off sculpting
Oh.
gels.
Okay. Okay, so I will be definitely testing. This is a really nice combination. These two, no? The silver
Yes.
and the black cherry. And the raspberry. Awesome colors. Okay, guys, let us know what you think. If you would like us to do a full video, obviously we're gonna do it because I'm super curious. Thank you so much, Bob, for sending us these products. Really
Yes.
appreciate it.
Thank you, Bob.
Bye.
Bye. All right, so bonus time.
Yeah, we did notice that. I mean, we got so excited with the gels that we forgot to film.
Well,
this.
I seen that there was chocolate, so I figured there was going to be more chocolate.
Really interested in trying this, so I'm so happy for these samples. This is very important, guys.
Gloves in a bottle.
It's just another layer of protecting your hands from allergic reactions, right? Because proper cure and all that is very, very important. Proper lamps, proper curing, but gloves, of course. But this is another layer, so this is really good.
Like an onion.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, very good.
Has many layers. Very cool. That chocolate, though.